Hey there! Today I'll show you how to install WebUI on Android with Termux. We'll cover Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, and more. Let's dive in. Step 1. Install Python in Node.js, package install Python Node as LTSY. Then upgrade pip with pip install upgrade pip. Step 2. Install Olama, run the official install script with curl fssil https://olama.com/install.shsh. Then pull a model like Olama pull llama 3.2:1b. Step 3. Install WebUI, use pip to install the package. Run pip install WebUI. This installs all dependencies for the WebUI. Step 4. Launch the server, start WebUI with WebUI serve. It runs on port 8080 by default with SQLite storage. Step 5. Chat with local AI, open http://localhost 8080 in your browser. Create an account, select your pulled model, and start chatting. Full ChatGPT experience on your phone. That wraps up today's tutorial. If this helped, subscribe to Kola Lawal for daily AI on Android guides. Get the complete ebook at lawalfatoikola.gumroad.com. See you tomorrow.